how to use Amplitude's pre-built attribution models. Specifically, could you help us think through a model that could let us weight multiple sources, such as source medium, referring website, user survey, response, etc.?
Do you know if the demo has channels already pre-built? I actually don't have the data tab in the demo environment.
They are working on improving some of this here. So hopefully we'll get some better data, but yeah, I think the limitation is our data set that we're working from here.
Okay, I do have a few channels here. I don't know how much data I have in this project, but I can at least talk about attribution channel setup here. And how does surveys impact attribution modeling? I'm curious as to what you're trying to measure specifically. Would you consider surveys like a channel unto itself, or you just want to understand surveys as a touch point in your user's journey?
Thanks for digging into this. Basically, we have a couple properties that we would say we assign to users that reflect where they may have come from. And obviously your typical UTM source medium is standard, but we also ask every user who purchases a subscription with us, how do they find us? So there's self-reported survey data and a post-purchase survey. So we have 8 possible self-reported sources, and we'd love to weight their own user self-reported attribution with the UTM data we have, essentially.
You can see the example that I have here. We actually have more than one channel grouping because we want to look at it in different ways. I would start there because self-reported versus definitive data from UTMs. I would consider looking at UTM data on its own merits and then doing a separate comparison of self-reported attribution. And you could do that. You could create a custom attribution model like this. We break it down, and instead of path, it would be whatever that property is where the users fill that out. But you could also just split out an individual report by that property as well. Do you set that as a user trait when you capture it?
Yeah, we capture it as a user property as well. So it ends up being, how'd you find us as the user property? And then we'll have it attached.
You could do some cool stuff with comparisons there. If you were looking at UTM level attribution and then comparing what the data says versus what their self-reported attribution source is, you could layer those on top of each other, because user reported data is always a little sus because they could just be clicking the first radio, and you can look at that. People just clicking the first thing and moving on. Those are the questions that I would calibrate against, and have your channel groupings be as definitive as possible. And you can start with a standard and customize to your specific UTMs and subdomains and things like that. Make sure that the standard attribution model is solid and everyone agrees based on the data that we have, this is as accurate as we can be. And then look at layering on user surveys and forms. And where else would be helpful to talk about in more detail, though?
It sounds like your recommendation is start with the concrete data we have from UTMs, maybe other direct data we have from user behavior directly, and then map that out here in the channels section. When I was looking at like the marketing analytics section of the dashboards, and you can configure your settings and you can pick U-shaped attribution or last touch, I was just curious too, how is that? It seems automatic, but what is that drawing from? I've not used this feature at all yet, so I'm just trying to familiarize myself.
Yeah, great question. You need to set up your channels first. It's going to pull from these channel definitions. Once you set up these channels, and assuming that you have the Amplitude SDK on your website, it will start updating user traits with these channel attribution definitions over time. So as users come in from different campaigns, as they come back and you associate that user with that traffic, those will be touch points. So you can do your J-curve or your U-shaped or your first and last touch, and Amplitude keeps track of that user's history over time. But you have to collect that data and you have to define that data. Are you using the Amplitude SDK already?
That is a helpful distinction. That's what I was wondering. So we currently use Segment and we pipe all of our events data into Amplitude. Do you know if we provide the Segment SDK info, if we align it with Amplitude's similar data, will it still reference the same things? Because it seems like my UTM data is not showing up with the little Amplitude insignia next to it. So I've assumed that's because it's from Segment.
The good news is it can definitely be configured to work. Segment sending to Amplitude can definitely work and enable your marketing attribution. It needs a little bit of tinkering to get it just right. I've definitely seen it done before. I can't give you an easy summary of what all needs to be adjusted between the website and the Amplitude destination within segment. That's something that we'd have to dig into a little bit deeper, but can still work the way you need it to.
Super helpful. I appreciate you all walking through this. I think this is at least a good place to get started from for me. And it sounds like maybe a little extra massaging of the implementation with segment and amplitude might help with this particular attribution feature. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. This is really helpful.